shook.
Leg out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited right now because one of my really good friends in real life and on YouTube, Karina Garcia, launched slime packs at Target. Like legit slime, like not just, you know those slimes that are like slime but it's not slime. None of that nonsense. But of course, first and foremost, I'm currently having a MacBook Pro giveaway because we recently hit 800,000 on this Nicole Jacklyn channel, which is crazy to me, and I've never done a giveaway like this. But if you want to enter the giveaway, the rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs, and go follow me on Instagram at Nicole Jacklyn and Twitter also at Nicole Jacklyn. I will have all the rules, all the links down below. I'm literally gonna be traveling for like 2 weeks pretty soon. Like I graduate college like tomorrow. What? I can't even explain how excited I am. I'm gonna be traveling like the next like 2 weeks or so, like Orlando, Los Angeles, or like Malibu. I'm like Miami. I'm so excited. My vlog channel is gonna be so lit every single day, and this channel, honestly, like collabs are coming through, like so many fun videos planned for the next few months of my life. Whoa, I just kicked my tripod. That's how excited I am. So today I am testing out, I'm gonna just like honestly do an on-camera reaction, opening up all of her packs. So I'm freaking so excited to open these up. Oh my gosh, I have the Slimy soda pack, the slime Galactic pack, super slime pack, and the glitter slime pack. I'm so excited. These look really cool. I literally can't wait. The colors are amazing. Like first reaction, I love the packaging. I think it's so cute. Karina, I'm so proud of you. It's been so cool to watch you just do such amazing things like this. Like what a dream. Like girl, I'm so proud of you. So yeah, I will have all the links down below to the giveaway, subscribe, and all that stuff. Give this video a thumbs up for Karina Garcia. Honestly, I'm so proud of her. This is so dope to have your own slime pack. Like literally, how freaking cool is that? Okay, this first one I'm gonna open up is called the Galactic slime pack. It says squishy, stretchy, fun, made with my secret slime recipes. In this pack we have Blackberry Blast Off, Martian Mellow, Martian Mellow, like marshmallow, funny. Green Apple Goo, and Milky Way cereal. So excited. Like, y'all, these four, they're sweet scented slimes. These are scented slimes. Girl, it takes a slimer to make amazing slime. Oh, whoa, it's so strong. Well, that's a good thing. If you watch my slime reviews, you know that's like, I'm so hyped. Girl, have you seen that? There's a meme and it's like, my wig has been, this is like the Galactic space pack slime pack. It's like my wig, it's like breaking news, wig is now in orbit, like it's in space. That's how I feel right now. Oh my god, it's actually slime. Like, you know how some store-bought slimes are like putty and it's like not iconic. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so cool. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. This is super nice. Because personally, I felt like, do you hear these bubble pops? Like, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Girl, I am so excited for you. This is so cool. The scent, just like blackberry, it smells so good. Martian Mellow, this is the white like cereal slime kind of thing. Okay. Oh my goodness. You know what this feels like? Whoa, that smells so good. Put it in my nose. It feels like a jelly slime. Does that make sense? Is that a slime? What am I thinking of? Like the fake snow jelly, not the cute, not the snow slime, the cloud slime, the jelly slime. This is so nice. The scent is great. The last two ones we have in this pack. Come on, open up. Okay. This one is Green Apple Goo. Smells so good in here. These are great scents. Like, I actually obsessed. This smells just like green apple. Oh my goodness. Clearly, I'm a little shook. This one is so stretchy. I don't think I've ever, cause I've done slime kits before that have like blueberry scent, but it's like literally so gross. This is actually so nice. This is the best store-bought slime I've ever had. And it's actually slime. It's not like putty where it's like not, you know, the same thing. This is so cool. What? Nothing has ever been done like this. She literally made like a floam. Like this is some like freaking Etsy shop looking stuff. This is so, it smells so good. It has literal foam beads. The foam is not bleeding. This is incredible. I'm so impressed. Karina, I'm so proud of you. This is so cool. I'm shook. I'm literally shook. This texture, nothing I've ever felt like for it in a slime. It's so holdable, but it's not to the point where it's like a putty. It's incredibly glossy. Clearly I'm speechless, honestly. The pack we're gonna try out is the glitter slime pack. We have a blue, gold, red, and something else. Oh, pink. Rainbow at the end too. Look at this blue color. It's literally beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's called Blue Glitter. Oh, like blue raspberry. And like, it's clicky. I wasn't expecting that at all. I did not think it'd be clicky. This is my favorite one so far. This is, oh, dang flabbit. Look at it. It's so nice. I'm so impressed. This is incredible. I don't want to stop playing with it. Like, this is so stretchy. Oh my gosh, like it's so nice. I want to like, what? Okay, cool. This one is pink glitter. I'm taking forever on each slime. Whoops. It smells super nice. Once again, the texture is so nice. This is like more watermelon, I feel like. What does it remind me of? I am so, like, I just don't have words. Karina was right, this stuff is so awesome. Like, what? I'm speechless. Oh my gosh, this one is gold glitter. It smells like cookies, like legit cookies and like vanilla. Oh my God, yes. These ones are so nice. They're just so stretchy. I'm so impressed. This is so cool. The smells are incredible. Honestly, when slime is scented, like it makes it, for like personally, it makes it 10 times more therapeutic when it's scented slime. Like I'm like, oh yes, that is incredible. Fruity, it has a bunch of rainbow glitter and like a red slime. Oh my gosh. Karina, I'm so proud of you. Holy cow, this is so, oh, I'm not even like just saying it, like I'm physically shook. This one is the Slimy soda pack. This is orange soda, grape soda, cherry soda, lemon lime soda. I'm so excited. Whoops. Okay, first we have the lemon lime soda. The coloring of this is beautiful. It is just beautiful. Whoa. Karina, what? I'm so proud of you. My gosh, it literally is so beautiful. I cannot even explain to you guys how amazing this is. Okay, it literally has this like really cool matte foggy look to it, and it smells like lemon lime. Honestly, kind of smells like summertime and like 7-Up and like, oh, so great. Look at him. It looks so cool. I'm like pulling it hard too, and it's so nice. This whole video is like just me saying the same thing over and over again. Like, do I even have to say anything anymore? Like, what? This one's super, they all just are so unique. And this is so stretchy for a slime. From the store. This is from the Target. What? Okay, it's a mood changing one, and we have fire and ice, a glittery one. We have a metallic one. Oh. Karina. So weird. What? You guys, do you see? Like, it literally is one of those ones that like, it's like, what? Oh my gosh, there's little, oh, I get it. It's like fire and ice. So it has like a fire orange color, then it has gold glitter. This is actually so pretty, and it has little mix-ins, and they aren't painful through your hands. They are like smooth edged. They have little blue diamonds, like fire or like ice cubes, or like little ice angel. This is so fun. It's pretty. It's pretty, but it's still like stretchy. You see? Okay, let's put it in my hands and see what happens. So this is like really cool blue color right now. It's changing colors, I can tell. Gosh, it turns this like lighter purple color when you play with it. That's so cool. It's thick. Oh, it's so, that is so fun. I smell so many scents around me that I can't tell anymore, but I think it is scented. Oh, so pretty. Has like a very light, like an off blue-green base with glitter in it. So cool. All right, guys, I will link these down below for you guys. If you wanna go check them out, it's linked down below. And yeah, go enter my MacBook Pro giveaway, subscribe to this channel, my vlog channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at nicholejacklyneyt. It's all down below, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, guys, I'll see you really soon with a new video. And yeah, blah, I'm talking so fast today. All right, guys, bye.